All right, everybody, welcome to the video here for the homework for lesson number 11. So in lesson number 11, we learned about the difference of sample means, another statistic we can use. This time, we're comparing actual averages or means of a sample. So the first thing we have to do is be able to actually calculate a difference of sample means, and that's what these first couple of questions are going over here. Not too bad if we can do subtraction, we should be able to do this. It's interpreting what it means that's the kind of issue. So for the first one, it wants us to find the difference of sample means, and it says find the difference between the mean of sample A and the mean of sample B. So the mean of sample A is -8. The mean of sample B is -2. If I subtract those, I get -6. So I could say the difference of the two samples is -6. So what that means is group B. So again, what we can say here is since the difference here was negative, we can say group B actually has a larger average or mean than group A. So what we can say is the group of 8 dieters lost 6 more pounds than the non-dieters. For the second question, we're talking about squash, right? So again, finding the calculated difference of sample means, I can take the mean of sample A and subtract it from the mean of sample B and find a difference of 0.1. So the calculated difference is 0.1. So I could say the weight of the irrigated squash is on average 0.1 pounds larger than the non-irrigated. Moving right along. So for number 2, it gives us this randomized difference of sample means distribution chart. And we want to find the probability of the difference being less than or equal to -0.6. So if we want to find the probability that the difference is less than or equal to -0.6, well, we need to figure out where is -0.6 on our chart. So here's -0.4, here's -0.8. So this row of dots or column of dots is going to be -0.6. So we're talking about all of these dots here. So we need to do some counting. So if I quickly count up all those dots in my blue box, I see there are 29 of them. And we need to calculate how many total dots there are. A lot of times it'll tell you in the problem that this has been simulated 100 times, 200 times, 300 times. This one didn't, so you had to count up all the dots. There are 100 dots here. So if I get that, I get 0.29, which is a 29% chance of happening. So because that chance is not less than 5%, there's no statistical significance between the two means, right? So because it is not less than 5%, there is no statistical evidence that the difference of means makes a difference. That's it. That was your homework assignment for the night. Not too bad here, hopefully. And we can talk a little bit more about difference of sample means when we do lesson 11 next time we're in class. All right. Good luck with everything, studying and starting to really start to review everything here in the chapter as we're getting to the end. All right. So keep going with it and we will be fine. Good luck.